As you can see, we're in the heart of the London Olympic Park. It's really busy. There's planes going over, there's trains, we've got cars going through. 7 years ago, this was a derelict land, it was wasteland. But since London have won the Olympic bid, the whole place has been in go mode. This part of London has seen huge amounts of regeneration. They've decontaminated the land and built world-class buildings. During that time, United Business Media has evolved too.
UBM Built Environment has developed tremendously over the last 5 years that I've been here.
I think over the last 12 months we've done some exceptional things with our customers in terms of helping integrate our data into their workflow. In some cases we've pushed our CRM system in place of someone else's.
Over the last 7.5 years since I've been here, there's been a huge change, and I think there's been a huge change in the way that we work, the environment we work in. I think UBM Built Environment is a really exciting company to work for because we're always trying to stay on trend.
Resi is the leading event for the residential sector. We've just had the show, it ran 3 weeks ago, and it was our biggest show yet. And it had the right people, the right sponsors.
We used to be a very traditional publishing business. Brands such as Property Week and BD, for example, where they were traditionally magazines, now evolved into kind of multi-platform, multi-channel products.
I think we have been really innovative in what we've been doing, especially within the industry. So I think, especially in comparison to some of our competitors, I think we're really doing a very good job of pushing ourselves forward.
So the main characteristic of the people within UBM Built Environment is their passion and commitment, but also there's an ambition to make sure that the department delivers to the highest possible quality, and that's where it's really aligned to the Olympic standards.
Everyone's willing to pitch in, everyone's committed to achieving the right goal for the customer.
When you've got a team around you that all want it to succeed and everyone's pulling their weight, you know, you want to come in, you don't want to let anyone down either.
Very determined, conscientious and creative people.
Every day is different. Every day has different challenges, different successes, and it's a really forward-thinking organisation, and the people around me really drive that.
The degree of autonomy that we're given to run with an idea, to come up with something, to fix something very quickly if it's going wrong, and that licence to come up with new ideas, really.
I think the people that we work with are quite inspirational. There's some really good talent within UBM Built Environment.
What I like the most about people I work with, I suppose, is the enthusiasm. Everybody's committed to the same goal of obviously investigating architecture, construction.
It's good to work with people with so much passion and energy because it makes you a lot more energised at work as well.
The brand is fantastic, and I think that alone really just gets me up in the morning.
The next big thing for UBM Built Environment is going to be about embracing the digital age, how we can make our face-to-face events more sophisticated, how we can take our media brands onto tablets and iPhones, and how we can basically take the whole of all of our products into the kind of virtual world.
Our biggest challenge is being able to scale up our operation, so deliver more of what we're doing for more and more clients, but maintaining the quality.
I think we can harness the reach of the wider UBM family with its various offices around the world, and EcoBuild can then develop both in the UK and internationally as well.
For me personally, I think my biggest achievements will be as we develop the brand further overseas into new countries.
For the next 12 months, we're going to continue to push our products more and more into our customers' workflow. We're going to look at different ways of exposing our data to the market.
It's going to be a really exciting 12 months for Building Magazine in particular. Our Building Awards next April is completely aligned and endorsed by the Olympic Legacy Company, and that will feed through all the way through to next August and the concrete show and activities in Brazil, where we hope to hand over the Olympic legacy along with London.